So NCCN is a group of 27 leading cancer centers in the United States. Our mission is to improve cancer care so people can live better lives. Our core product is the NCCN Clinical Practice Guidelines in Oncology. These guidelines are developed for healthcare providers by panels of experts from the 27 NCCN member institutions. NCCN guidelines list options for cancer care that are most likely to have the best results. They are updated at least once a year, and the NCCN guidelines on breast cancer were just updated recently to version 3.2018. The NCCN guidelines for patients are based on the NCCN Clinical Practice Guidelines. They list the same options for cancer care, however, they are written for patients and caregivers, family, and friends. You can view and download free copies of the NCCN guidelines for patients from the NCCN website. High-quality printed copies can be purchased through Amazon. Because the clinical practice guidelines were just recently updated, the patient guidelines were also recently updated. And the free printed copy of the updated guidelines is being mailed out to the first 300 registrants. And please note that it may take a couple of weeks to receive your copy. NCCN Foundation is a nonprofit organization that raises funds for the NCCN patient education programs. New and updated patient guidelines as well as webinars are based on financial support from the community. NCCN Foundation would like to thank the endorsers of the NCCN guidelines for patients on breast cancer.